Okay, so let's get into the vlog. Yeah, my husband messing with the camera. All right, this is spot on Louis Vuitton's box from the boutique, and I'm saying that from experience. You can even see the details. This is like an indentation with the lettering. You can feel it. Like it's like, I can't describe it, but it's like embossing almost. The letters are raised. That's a better way to say it. The letters are raised. I love it. Love it. When you go to the boutique, you get this box that opens up like this, and it has the magnetic lock. This is mirror quality. Oh my goodness. Okay. And they come with the little card and the tissue. This is the receipt. Yes, the receipts look just like this. I'm saying this from experience because I know. And they are absolutely beautiful. Now, of course, it's blank. This is just for theatrics, right? But I'm the type of person, I'm ready to tell you, hey, this came from Babala. You need to go get you one right now. I'm not going to sugarcoat it or anything. If you want to give this as a gift, you can wrap it with a bow. But of course, this will be my bag. I can't wait to wear her. So let's get her out of the packaging, shall we? Yeah, I'm so excited because she allowed me to order what I wanted. And she's always so gracious to me in that way. Thank you so much, Teresa. Thank you, Babala, just for all the love that you show me. And thank you all of you who order from them, because that is what allows me to keep bringing these awesome videos to you. Okay, so you can already see. I mean, you already see. What? Okay, I'm sorry. Y'all know I get carried away. This is the Speedy Bandoulière, and she smells. Oh, okay. She just smells so brand new, so beautiful. Of course, they cover the handles. I'm taking everything off immediately, and the reason is not because, it's not fall, but it's still summer here. It's 90 degrees here. And yeah, I can totally still carry her. She is so gorgeous. Now, you guys know I owned her before, and I sold her by mistake. And I wanted a replacement because, yeah, I love this bag. And of course, I got her in the 35, which is the biggest size you can get her. You can get a 40, but the 40 is definitely travel. But the 35 is my everyday size. I absolutely love her. You guys know I'm different. I know everybody else does the 20s and the 30s, but I am a 35 girl, and I love myself for that. I recommend the 30 because she's versatile in the 35. If you travel a lot, you saw how she folds flat because we just opened her. If you travel a lot, if you work outside of the home and you have to go to the office and you're going to have to carry a few items with you that maybe you can't put at your desk, or you don't have a locker to put your things and you just have to keep your bag with you, I would definitely recommend the 35 because you can fit so much more. This is the Vachetta strap. Perfect condition. This is the lock. I hope the lock is right. Please let the lock be right. Okay, the lock is nice. It's nice. Yeah, it's a nice lock. If you know, you know, right? Okay, so everything else is really good though. I really love the bag. You can always replace the lock if the lock is not perfect for you. So here's the zippered portion on the inside. It looks extra wide, huh? I don't know. different. Maybe the newer bags have that on there. Yeah, mine wasn't that big when I had my, well, that's right. I didn't have the bandolier. I had the regular Speedy. So mine didn't have the attachments for the strap. It was just the leather on the sides. So that's why I'm noticing differences. But that's only because this is the bandolier and not the Speedy. The plain Speedy without the straps. And actually, I never thought I would like the bandolier, but my authentic bandolier right here, I've ended up loving her so much so that you can see I never took the straps off. I still use the straps. They have patinaed as well as the handles. Of course, not as much because I don't use the long strap as much, but I anticipate using the long strap. Especially when I'm getting groceries out the car, or I'm taking my laptop, my lunch bag, and all the things, and I need that extra space in my hand. So I'm very, very excited to own her. What else? The leather looks really good. All of the imprints, all the embossings are on the bag. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. All of that looks spot on. And over here, that all looks good. All of the, see, I look at everything. I am really good at authenticating, and the way everything is lined up is perfect. It's absolutely perfect. I don't see any imperfection. I don't see any strays. Like, you gotta go get you one, girl. Go get you a bag. All right. I wanted to check to see, just to make sure I was still recording, because y'all know I get excited and then I'm just talking and talking and talking. I love this bag. Okay, let me take everything off. What is this for? This little button here. Okay, I'll do that later. But you guys know I have a lot of the accessories already. So I'm probably going to take my never full pouch in her. You can see the difference in patina. But I love my Azure bags. I almost like Azure more than the monogram, and that's seriously for real. I'm gonna have to get a new wallet because I bought one from a seller that wasn't affiliated with this company, and it did not come out right, so I need a new wallet. This is my makeup bag in the GM size. Everything I get is in the GM. It's old, so it does need to be wiped down or whatever. So that will definitely go inside. This will go inside. And then this is my little wallet, which doesn't match, but it's gonna work. Okay, it's gonna work for what I needed until I get me a better wallet. The glazing is a little red, but when they were making the bandolier, that was normal. This is an older iconic bag, so the glazing was a deeper red, cherry red like this. Now they make the glazing more of a burgundy color, and I wish I had one of my bags near me, but I don't. But their newer bags have a deeper burgundy, like almost brownish red color for the glazing. So I'm okay with the glazing being this cherry color because I know over time that's gonna go away. So overall, I'm really happy with this purchase. I would definitely recommend Babala. Please go ahead and hit the link below. I believe this bag was in the hundreds. It wasn't even 200, so anybody can afford it. Yeah, it's just a very inexpensive throw on and go. You can wear her winter, spring, summer, fall. It does not matter. And in the winter, I would totally rock this with a cream colored suit. That would be so fire, so cute.